Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to edit a page on Squarespace. Let's get straight into it. First, navigate to squarespace.com and log in with your account credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main menu appear in the left side panel. Now, click on Pages in that left sidebar. This opens the Pages panel on the left side of your screen, showing all your site's pages. You'll notice a house icon next to your home page, and all your pages are listed in the order they appear in your site's navigation. Click on the title of the page you want to edit. The page becomes selected, you'll see it's highlighted in the list. Next, click the Edit button in the top left corner of the page. Once you're in edit mode, an Add Block button appears in the top left, letting you know you're ready to make changes. To edit text that's already on the page, simply click directly on it. A cursor appears in the text block, and you can type away or press Enter to create new paragraphs. For images or other blocks, click on the block first. When you do, a pencil icon appears above it. Click that pencil icon to open the block editor, where you can make changes. You can also just double-click the block to jump straight into editing. If you want to add a new section to your page, look for the Add Section button that appears above or below existing sections. Click it, and a category panel opens on the left, showing pre-built sections you can choose from. To add individual blocks within a section, hover over the section where you want to add content. The Add Block button appears in the top left corner of that section. Click it, and the block menu opens. You can click and drag a block from the menu onto your page guidelines appear, showing you where you can place it. Once you're done making changes, click the Save button at the top of the page editor. Your changes are saved immediately. A couple of quick things to know: if you delete something and then click Save, you can't undo it unless you cancel all your edits before saving. So double check before you hit that Save button. After saving, you can keep editing or click Exit to close the editor and return to the main view. You can preview your changes on the live site or use Device View to check how everything looks on mobile. And that's how it's done. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.